It is protective as it protects the animal from different unfavorable climatic conditions, from invasions by fungi, pathogens, and other insects, so on. If we talk about the cell of the epithelial tissue, they are generally flat and forms as a continuous sheet. Continuous sheet means they are spread all over the surface. The cells are compactly packed, that means intercellular space are absent. Epithelial tissues forms as the lining of cavities like mouth, blood vessels and alveoli of lungs. These are also found in the skin and other systems. And very important characteristics of this epithelial tissues that their cells are arranged on a extracellular basement membrane. Extracellular means that is non-cellular. So cells of epithelial tissues are arranged on the extracellular basement membrane. Now we will discuss the types of epithelial tissue. On the basis of the shape, epithelial tissues are divided into 5 types. So let us start. We are discussing tissue chapter, that is the second chapter of biology of 9th class, in which we are discussing epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissues, that is divided into 5 types. First is squamous. Squamous epithelial tissue. Second one is cuboidal. Cuboidal epithelial tissue. Third one is columnar. Columnar epithelial tissue. Fourth one is ciliated. Ciliated epithelium tissue. And fourth one is glandular. Glandular epithelium tissue. On the basis of shape, epithelial tissues are of 5 types, and they are squamous epithelial tissue, cuboidal epithelial tissue, columnar epithelial tissue, ciliated and glandular epithelium tissue. So first we will take up squamous epithelial tissue, in which cells are flat, polygonal, and thin walled. If we make the diagram of cells of squamous epithelium, these are arranged as tiles. So these are also known as pavement membrane, and this polygonal cells are arranged on the basement membrane. This is the BM, that means basement membrane. Now this squamous epithelial tissue are of 2 types. These are of 2 types, and they are simple squamous and stratified squamous. Simple squamous and stratified squamous. If a single layer of cells are found, it is called simple squamous, while more than one layer or multi-layered layers of cells are called stratified squamous. Stratified squamous. In simple squamous, there is single layer of cells. Single layer of cells are found, while in stratified, more than one layer. More than one layer or multi-layered. These are multi-layered. And the example of stratified squamous is skin. Example is skin. Skin are made of multiple layered of cells. And this simple squamous, these are simple squamous that is made of single layer of cells are generally found in the parts of the body where there is the exchange of materials, liquids or gases takes place. For example, in alveoli of lungs, in which the exchange of gases takes place. So the example of simple squamous is alveoli of lungs, blood vessels, kidney tubules, intestine, and so on. So on are the examples of simple squamous epithelial tissue. Now if we talk about the function of squamous epithelial tissue is to protection from mechanical injury, caused by chemical germs or insects. So it is the outermost layer of cells and it protects the animal from mechanical injury by chemical germs or insects. Now moving to the cuboidal epithelium tissue. As the name suggests, cells are cube shaped. Cells are cube shaped, that is, cells are cube shaped having nucleus, and again these are arranged on the extracellular basement membrane, and this is the basement membrane. Now if we talk about the location of cuboidal epithelium tissue, they are found in kidney tubules, seminal vesicles and thyroid glands. These are found in thyroid glands. And now the function of cuboidal epithelium tissue. Function is secretion secretion, excretion, absorption. So this is about the cuboidal epithelium tissue, and now we have columnar epithelium tissue. Cells are pillar or column shaped. Pillar or column shaped. And the nucleus lies in the base of the cells. Also, these are arranged on the extracellular basement membrane. This is called BM. So, columnar epithelium tissues are those in which cells are of pillar or column shaped, and their nucleus lies at the bottom of the cells. And these are also arranged on the extracellular basement membrane, and location where they are found. They are found in columnar epithelium tissues are found in stomach, intestine and mucous glands. And function of columnar epithelium tissue is absorption and secretion. Now moving to the ciliated epithelial tissue. Cells may be of cuboidal or column shape. Cells may be of cuboidal or columnar shaped, and its broader free ends consist of thread or cilia-like structure. So these are known as ciliated epithelium tissue, and these are also arranged on a extracellular basement membrane. And this is cilia or thread-like structures present here. So these are known as ciliated epithelial tissue, and their shape of cells may be of cuboidal or columnar. Now location of the cells. These are found in respiratory tract, kidney tubules, and these are found in the fallopian tube and oviduct. These are generally present on the area or parts of the body where there is need of movement of materials, like in respiratory tracts. In our nose also a few cilia or thread-like structures are present that protects the dust particles, and similarly this ciliated epithelium tissues are found in the kidney tubules and fallopian tube and oviduct, where there is the movement of certain material takes place. Now the function of ciliated epithelium tissue is absorption, excretion. Now we have glandular epithelium tissue. Sometimes the epithelial tissue folded inwards and forms some multicellular glands that are known as glandular epithelium tissues. Sometimes epithelial tissues folded inwards to make multicellular glands that are known as glandular epithelium tissue, and they have sometimes epithelial tissues folded inward to make multicellular glands that are known as glandular epithelium tissue, and function of this glands are secretion. So this is all about the epithelial tissue and types of epithelial tissue.